Yeah, no, there's more and more capital interested in Germany. But the good point with Germany is that you can actually develop several strategies altogether, because, I mean, there are several sectors which are active altogether. You can go to core plus offices, you can go to retail shopping centers or high street retail, and for each sector you can develop a proper strategy with the same investor having several pockets, and you can adapt depending on the expectation on return, on the aspiration of the investor. You can adapt with the various sectors what you want at that precise moment. And that's, I think, for me, the second key element for the German market. Because if you go to France, for example, it's only a few sectors which are really active. If you want to develop other sectors, it becomes difficult, not only from finding the product, but also from the financing of the product. If you go to Spain now, it's extremely difficult to develop several strategies because it's only a few sectors where you can develop something. Germany is very wide possibilities. That's a very interesting point.
So that also brings a wider
exactly
pool of capital because there's a range of those different opportunities.
Yes, of course, important part of the market is, for example, the insurance companies, pension funds and so on, looking for core products, but they are also looking for now value adds properties, and therefore it's very important to have a good quality of asset management. And therefore we need in Germany more and more joint venture strategies, especially for foreign investors. They can take some opportunities in the German market, but they need at the same time the knowledge of the local market. And so we see a wide range of different type of investors. It's ended up with the pension funds, classical, and on the other side the value-add investor. And so you can find investments for 4% yield or sometimes for 10.
Okay.
Not for 15 or 20, of course. It's a general lack of product, of course, but that's the reason why I'm talking about the joint venture strategy. Due to the fact there's a lot of money coming to Germany, but there's not the core product. And therefore we need to step into the production. And production needs the joint venture between the local hero and the capital coming from the US or Asian.